Welcome all. Today we will learn about gravitational force. So before that we have to find out some of the phenomena that occur around us in nature. 1. Why the planets are circumnavigated around sun. 2. Why the moon doesn't fall into the earth's surface. 3. Why a stone throwing to the air is falls down after going some time. These all are related in a common way, and that common phenomena behind these reasons is known as gravitational force. Today we will learn about what is the scientific principles behind these all phenomena. Okay, first of all, we will learn about universal law of gravitation. This theory is put forward by Isaac Newton. We all know the story about Isaac Newton and his apple. He thought about why apple is fallen down, why moon is or other planets doesn't fall down like this apple. From this thought of Isaac Newton comes the very basic principle of universal law of gravitation. Straight to the point. According to the universal law of gravitation, it is says that every body in the universe is attracted on every another body, and the force which is acted upon is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the distance between that bodies. Let's come to that point. So by that we know that F is directly proportional to m1 and m2, and F is inversely proportional to square of the distance between the point, that is d. Thus we can formulate it into F is equal to g m into m divided by d square, and here g is called the universal gravitational constant. Its value is found out as 6.673 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square divided by kilogram square. That is what is universal law of gravitation says. So we can understand that every body is attracted on every another body at a particular value of gravitational force, but it is solely depends upon the mass of that body. So here a question will arise: if two persons attract each other, then why one is not come along to another? Yes, of course, everybody is attracted by the principle of universal law of gravitation, but here the mass is negligible between the two persons. So what happen is they will not attract each other like big bodies of masses. Then we have a question called why the moon is not coming to the, or why moon is not falling down to earth. That is because of the centripetal force. The idea of a centripetal force can be understood by an example. If we stick a stone into a thread and whirl around in a circular way, we know that the stone is not go in a straight line, but it circumnavigated in a circular path. Why? It is because of the centripetal force at the center of that circle. Centripetal force attracts that stone into its center. That's why the stone is not go in a straight line. Instead, it whirl around in a circular way. That concept is called centripetal force. So we understand in this chapter what is universal law of gravitation and what is its equation to find out, that is F is equal to g mm divided by d square. And also we touched upon the topic called centripetal force and its importance playing in the moon and its circumnavigation around the earth. Thank you.